Iron County in northwestern Wisconsin, northeastern Price County in north-central Wisconsin until 5:30 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Turtle Flambeau Village, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Iron and northeastern Price counties, including the following locations: Pike Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is weather.